Ready to ditch the data entry drudgery and finally unlock the power of automation? But wondering how long it really takes to become a Zapier whiz? Let's break it down. First, the basics. Expect to dedicate around 23 days, spending maybe 23 hours each day, to grasp the fundamental concepts of Zapier. This includes understanding triggers, actions, and how to connect different apps. During this initial phase, focus on exploring Zapier's pre-built templates. Try connecting a few of your most used apps, like Gmail to Google Sheets, or your CRM to your marketing tools. Experiment with simple zaps to get a feel for the platform. Don't reinvent the wheel. Zapier offers a wealth of resources. Zapier University, their comprehensive documentation, and a super helpful community forum lean on these. They can save you hours of troubleshooting. To move beyond the basics and build truly complex, business-critical automation, you'll need to invest more time in practical experience. This is where the real learning happens. Consider aiming to build 510 increasingly complex apps over 24 weeks. These apps should address specific business needs, involve multiple steps, and incorporate conditional logic. Is hands-on experience is crucial for developing true proficiency. So, while you can grasp the fundamentals in a few days, mastering Zapier automation for complex business solutions requires continuous learning and hands-on practice over a few weeks. The time investment is definitely worth the efficiency gains. Now go build something amazing.